Hi there, my name is Azom Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video, we will learn how to highlight active row and column in Excel. You will observe that if I click on the sheet like this, a row and a column is highlighted. The highlighted row and column are the active row and column. Basically, you are highlighting the active row and the active column at the same time. This is done based on a selected cell. For example, if I select cell H5, which is right here, you see that column H and row 5 is highlighted at the same time with this beautiful color here. The importance of this is when you are working with a huge data set, it becomes easy to keep track of the values in each row and column. You can easily focus on the column and on the row very easily, so you can track all the values in them. To do this, we need functions, conditional formatting, and VBA. The first function we need is the cell function. The cell function returns information about the selected cell. For example, the row number, the column number, the address of the cell, the content of the cell, etc. Like if we put the cell function here, we have this will give us the information about the selected cell, information like the address, the column, the color, all the way to the weight of the cell. That is what the cell function does. The second function is the all function. This function will take two arguments. Now let's implement our function. We put the two functions together. We put the cell function inside our all function like this. You have all, then cell, then we have call, we close the parenthesis, equal, column, then parenthesis, comma, cell, double quote, row, we close the double quote, equal, row, then we close this. Let me just take some few seconds to explain this function. This is the all functions, and the all functions take here, it takes two arguments, the first argument and the second argument. We separate arguments in functions using comma. My first argument is the cell function, which takes in an argument, and this returns the column number of the selected cell. We are checking to see whether the column number that has been returned here is equal to the column number in the data set. Then we close the parenthesis, and the second argument takes the row number of the selected cell and compares it to the row number in the data set. Now, if this one returns true, the all function will also return true. If this one returns true, the all function will also return true. If both argument returns true, the all function will return true. But if any of them return false and one returns true, the all function will also return true. But all of them, if all of them returns false, the all function will return false. We need this formula to do our conditional formatting. So let's copy it, Control C, then we take it off, we select the entire data set, we head to the home ribbon, in the style group, click on conditional formatting, select new row, then select use a formula to determine which cells to format, then we paste in the formula that we copied. Of course, you can type the formula in here directly, it's your choice. Then format, we go to fill, then we select a color, we click OK, OK again. Now we have the first column and the first row highlighted. Now when we select any cell like this, it doesn't, the column and the row doesn't get highlighted, and that is because we need to press F9. Why is it that? Because we have used a function, and the function needs a new value to be calculated. Now we've not entered any new value, so the function will not be recalculated, so we have to press F9 to do that. Now to solve this problem, because we can't keep on pressing F9 all the time, we will solve this problem using VBA. We move to the developer tab, Visual Basic, we select the cell, then we select worksheet here, and then we type in one line of code, application dot calculate, and that is all. So we close this, close this, close this. Now if we select any cell, the column is highlighted, the row is highlighted. We select any cell, the column is highlighted, the row is highlighted. That is it for this video. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.